Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, so before we start, let's start with a quick introduction. I love to get to know you better. Can you please tell me a little about yourself and your background?
Okay, sir. So today I'm Elton John Manahan, a son of two good parents. I love sports, cooking, and graphic designs. I am currently a second year nursing student at Bicol University. I have worked as a cashier and a prep cook of my family's restaurant. I manage transactions, customer service, finance recording, cooking in an extremely fast-paced industry where also the high pressure is an at all-time high.
Okay, thanks for sharing that. Now everyone has their own strength. What would you say are your biggest strengths and how they help you in your work?
Okay, sir. So my biggest strength is that I'm a fast learner, adaptable, and dependable. As a second year nursing student, I've developed good communication, teamwork, team management, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. My experience as a cashier and prep cook also taught me to provide great customer service, work efficiently in a fast-paced environment, and pay close attention to detail. I enjoy learning new skills and always give my best in everything I do.
On the other hand, we all have areas we're still improving. Is there weakness you identified in yourself and what are you doing to work on it?
So my main weakness is that I am too anxious when I don't finish my tasks, whether it is a as a cashier, prep cook, etc. But I will always find a way to finish them as it makes me calm and gives a sense of achievement.
The freelancing industry is always changing, so continuous learning is really important. I love to know, are you currently learning any new skill or taking any course?
Okay, so as a former cashier, prep cook, and a nursing student, I am definitely a lifelong learner. In fact, I underwent a general virtual assistance training from the Department of Communications and Technology. After that, I concluded that there's more to learn.
I'm also curious about your freelancing journey. How long have you been freelancing and what made you decide to pursue this career?
I've only started as a freelancer this year, sir. What made me to decide one myself is because there's a vast of opportunities to be used as a freelancer, such as a source of income and practice what I love most and advocates in life.
If you worked with clients before, could you tell me a title about them? What kind of projects have you handled and what services did you provide?
So, sir, it actually depends on what services that would you like me to deliver efficiently. Either it is administrative work, creative designs, or both. But what I'm certain is I can make your burden lighter as your virtual assistant.
If you're just starting out, that's completely fine. If I were hired to hire you today, what types of services would you feel confident handling for my business?
So, if you were to hire me today, as I said, I can do administrative services such as data entry, um, and graphic design, social media management, and there's many more services depending on what services do you need. But I am a freelancer specialized in medical virtual assistance and food business virtual assistance. So I chose this niche as if it aligns with my college education. But if you have anything you need, I can assess if I can do it or not.
Every freelancer has a niche they enjoy working in. What made you choose that field?
Okay, so I'm a freelancer specialized in medical virtual assistance and food business virtual assistance. But I plan to focus as a med VA. But I chose this niche as it aligns with my college education and my building passion to learn in health allied sciences.
Let's talk about your availability. This role requires around 5 hours each week. What the schedule work for you, and are you comfortable working our time zone if needed?
Oh yes, I am totally available. I can work anytime, anywhere. As long as I can get my hands on a material, I can do my work.
In terms of working style, do you enjoy collaborating with a team or do you prefer working independently? What works best for you?
I am totally a team player. As I've said, I work in a food industry and currently a nursing student where teamwork is quite literally the key to success. Either way, I prefer to work with a team because two brains are better than one when used properly.
Before we move on, I also like to ask about your expected rate for this role. What are you looking for based on responsibilities of this position?
So my service fee range for this project requires $6 to $10 per hour with 40 hours per week. But still, it depends on what services you need.
Looking ahead, where do you see yourself in the next few years? What are your long-term goals as a freelancer?
Okay, so as a freelancer, I have goals such as having my own team in the future and teach others. If I'm successful, it means I have a story to share. So naturally, I would want to give back and give what I learned to aspiring virtual assistants.
After reviewing the job description, what's your understanding of this role, and how do you think your skill match that you're looking for?
Okay, so my understanding is that this role involves creating engaging social media content, writing captions, generating video and real ideas, building lead magnets, supporting email marketing campaigns, and help grow Radiant Health's online presence while promoting functional medicine, hormonal health, and wellness.
One last question for me. Feedback is a big part of working with clients. How do you usually respond when someone gives you a constructive criticism?
Well, I take negative feedback as an opportunity to review my flaws as a professional or any other. These feedbacks are key for improvement.
That's covered all my questions. Before we wrap up, is there anything you'd like to ask about the role, the project, or the company?
My only question is, how is the work conditions and where can I start and when can I start?
Okay. That's the end of the interview. That's all the question I have for today. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me. I really appreciate you sharing your experience and we review everything and get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Thank you.